party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. Let me know when you're here, meet me up for a smoke outside. I regret what I said, didn't mean it. Yeah, believe me, I guess I take it back. There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. I know that summer was a big mistake. I just hope that we're still okay. You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want to what we want.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share 3 glam pumpkin DIY projects. I hope you enjoy. So guys, a few months ago I ordered a canvas print off Amazon, and it came in a big box and it had these 2 pieces of MDF attached to either side of it so it would give protection. I was originally going to throw them out, but I looked at them and I thought, you know, these would one day be a great DIY. So I'm going to start first of all giving it 2 coats of this beautiful colour which is called Blue Balm by Dulux. I gave it 2 coats and then left it to dry.
'Cause you always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around.
So you're going to see me first of all start with this small foam brush. I then upgraded to a paintbrush but then went on to a roller. So because this is a big project, I recommend in cutting time to use the roller.
We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want to what we want, to what we want, to what we want. There's a party downtown, really hope that you're coming by.
Now once both boards were completely dry, I then went in with these stickers that I picked up a few months ago from Spotlight. On the first board, I'm going to use the word thankful as well as the little always sign with the 2 love hearts.
Trying to hold on when I'm not there for you. Wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own game, and I don't need you here, so won't you let me go? Wanna take this ball and chain that you have put on me and throw it out the window. I think that you should let go, 'cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go. Maybe I should have known that you are not the right one for me. Let go. I should have known, I should have known. You are not right for me, so let go. So let me go, so let me go. You are not right for me, so let go, go. Let me go, go. Let me go, go. Let me go.
Now on the second one, I'm going to use the word hello at the very top of the board.
Let me go, go, go.
Now off camera, I had a packet of drawer liners that I picked up from my local dollar store in the polka dot fabric. And what I did is I traced out 3 sizes of pumpkins, and we're going to make the first one into a pumpkin stack. Taking the first thankful board, I'm going to glue each pumpkin in place. take some pretty pink ribbon and tie a bow and place that to the top of the pumpkin. I'm then going to add this pretty glittered brooch as well as these dollar store leaves that I spray painted gold.
So why are you trying to hold on? I think that you should let go, 'cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go. Maybe I should have known that you are not the right one for me. Let go. I think that you should let go, 'cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go. Maybe I should have known that you are not the right one for me. You are not right for me, so let go.
Now to the top of the board, I'm going to take this beautiful buffalo check ribbon and I'm going to hot glue that across. I'm also going to take this leaf garland and I'm going to glue that across the middle.
'Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now, and it could fade away.
Now guys, on the hello board, what I did is I cut out 7 smaller pumpkins and I'm going to glue them randomly down the board.
And maybe I'll drown, but what can I do? And it would be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
I then took these gold glitter letters that I picked up from Kmart and I'm going to spell out the word pumpkin.
Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire. We could blame it on the wine, but we know that we will both be lying. I wish I didn't want you.
I then took some of those gold leaves, guys, and off camera I spray painted them a blush candy pink by Rust-Oleum and I'm going to glue them onto the board.
But I know they won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you. And maybe I'll try, but what can I do? And it will be alright to let me down.
Now I'm then going to start on my second DIY. My sweet friend here on YouTube, Betsy Ann, gifted to me this gorgeous crown pumpkin a couple of years ago. I absolutely love it, guys, but I feel it needs a blush pink makeover. Taking some beautiful blush pink paint by Dulux, I painted the entire pumpkin.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this.
But I'm gonna dive into you. And maybe I'll try, what can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you. Dive into you. Dive into you. Dive into you. And it will be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you. It's like we're running in circles, going around every day, getting stuck in the hurdles of yesterday. Don't you wanna go further? away from the fray. Let's not get stuck in our worries. We'll make our own way. Won't you come outside where the sunflowers bloom? Breathe in the air. Look up to the moon. I'll meet you outside, away from the crowd. Just you and me together, it will all seem better outside. Just us in the sky.
So guys, I'm now going to share my third and final DIY. I picked up this little red truck from Eureka Street Furniture last Christmas. I knew it would be perfect for my home, but of course it had to be a blush pink makeover. Nothing stays red in my home for too long. Now, taking this beautiful blush pink paint by Dulux, I'm going to go in and give the truck 2 coats.
Is it innate? Feels like a heavy burden, but I can't relate. Do our actions even matter? Or is this a fate? At least now I'm feeling better. I know I'm here to stay. Won't you come outside where the sunflowers bloom? Breathe in the air. Look up to the moon. I'll meet you outside, away from the crowd. Just you.
Now, once the truck was completely dry, I then went in with that buffalo check ribbon once again, and I'm going to tie a bow and hot glue it to the door. Now guys, to the back of the truck, I had these buffalo check little pumpkins, and what I'm going to do is they're tied together and I'm going to place them inside the truck.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason.
I'm then going to take some really pretty flowers and I'm just going to scatter them throughout the pumpkins.
Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you're doing.
I'm then going to take some of that leaf garland and scatter it in the back, as well as hot glue some of the leaves to the front.
Hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. 'Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds. And I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to doing some DIY glam pumpkin decor. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, it truly helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can. And I'd love most of all, guys, if you would hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.